Hi, my name is John. I found Magnolia Medical through Facebook about 2 months ago. I was having a lot of severe hip pain. I had been diagnosed 25 years earlier with having been born with degenerative hip dysplasia, and that eventually I would experience bone on bone, and I felt like I was very much at that point. I couldn't take one step without feeling like everything was grinding, and I was just in constant pain. My mother-in-law had a friend who found relief through stem cell therapy, and I really didn't know anything about it. I'd only ever heard the negative side of stem cell therapy, and I promised my mother-in-law that if there were ever a information session anywhere close to the house that I would go. It was more to appease her than anything else. But then one day on Facebook, here's this presentation just a few blocks away from the house. My wife and I were both off that day, and I said, you know, we need to go so that I can at least fulfill my promise to your mother. And once we got there and I went through the information session, there was no doubt in my mind that I at least needed to pursue this avenue. I've seen firsthand what narcotic medication, constant surgery can do to my loved ones. And I always swore that if anything ever happened to me that I never wanted to go that route, that I wanted to find an alternative way to healing. And after the presentation, I felt very much more at ease about the stem cells, even though I'm paranoid of needles. I was put at ease immediately when I first came here. They did the testing, and it come to find out that I actually did not necessarily have degenerative hip dysplasia, but in doing full body x-rays as part of the initial program, come to find out I had scoliosis that was left untreated as a child. The stem cell therapy has definitely worked because the pain in my hip is almost completely gone, and I've only been here for 2 months. Very minimal discomfort there. I do feel some more pain in my back region because of the scoliosis, but through all of the exercises that they provide here, as well as the medical apparatus, the chiropractic, the electrical therapy, the ice, the decompression, everything that is here, I can tell a huge difference in my body and my pain levels because of everything that they do. It's not just the processes that are in place, but the staff, the chemistry of personalities, everybody's level of expertise, everybody's level of knowledge, everybody working together. I could not ask for a better support group or a medical family to help me through this time than what I have experienced here at Magnolia Medical. I'm only halfway through my therapy, but there is no doubt in my mind that God placed me here, that this was the place to be, still is the place to be, and know that I will have a support system even as things progress during the future. I would highly recommend Magnolia Medical to anybody who is searching for an alternative method to surgery and narcotic medication as part of their health regimen, and I look forward to what the future may have to hold as far as us working together as a team in my health care.